In today's technology-driven industry, having a well-trained workforce is key to success. In order to maintain the highest standards, workers must constantly be trained and their knowledge assessed. That's why YouTestMe has created an online exam software for the automotive manufacturing industry. Our software supports multiple question types and allows you to track employee progress and view results with ease. With the online format, exams can be taken anywhere at any time, even on a smartphone. YouTestMe provides detailed analytics and reports, helping you make data-driven decisions about employee training and development. Try YouTestMe today and take the first step towards a more efficient and effective workforce in the automotive manufacturing industry.